In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Uber payment not working in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check if your card got declined. Check the card number, expiry date, and CVV, and ensure that international transactions are enabled. Also contact your bank if your card keeps declining. If you don't have any insufficient, or if you don't have funds, or if you have insufficient funds, ensure that you have enough balance in your account and check if there are any pending holds. Add funds or try another payment method. If that doesn't work, your card might be invalid or expired. Simply go ahead and update your card with a valid one. Remove the old cards from your wallet. It could also be your 3DS or OTP issues. Check if the OTP is received on your registered number and do not close the OTP window. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check for bank restrictions, as your bank may also block ride-share transactions. You want to also see if your payment method is not supported or if it is your location or region problem. Some cards may not work in certain regions and you want to try another payment method supported in your region. If none of it works, simply try updating the application or reinstalling it, or simply contact help.uber.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.